What are microorganisms? What are pathogens or parasites? Are all type of bacteria, virus and fungi called pathogens? To know in a simple way, stay with this video till the end. Hi, welcome to this video. Let's quickly go to the content of this video. The first question is, what is a pathogen? You might be knowing microorganisms. The name itself says that those are the organisms of micron size. We can't see them with our naked eyes but can see by the help of a microscope. Biologically, they may be of a single cell or multiple cells. Now, what are the types of microorganisms? Well, microorganisms can be bacteria, Protozoa, algae, yeast, or fungi. Yes, there is another one called virus. Virus is not considered as living organism but is being considered as microorganism. It is not that all the microorganisms are harmful to human. There are a lot of microorganisms those are helpful to us and are called as beneficial microorganisms. For example, lactobacillus is the helpful bacteria present in curd. Yeast is used commercially for fermentation and produce alcohol and wine. Yeast is also used in baking breads and cakes. Bacteria present in our digestive system helps us in digestion by releasing certain types of enzymes. But there are many more microorganisms those are harmful to us. They invade into our body or reside on our skin. They produce their colony and damage our body parts, causing infection and disease to us. These harmful microorganisms are called pathogens. Friends, we will discuss many more on these pathogens and how our body reacts to these pathogens. Will the infection heal soon, or will we consult a doctor? Is our own immunity enough to fight, or will we take antibiotics? I may request you to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. Also, if you do like the video and feel it is informative, then please share to your loved ones. Thank you and goodbye.